Hello, beauties! Today I'm coming at you with a different video than the mukbang. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I'm going to a wedding. So it's going to be not just a normal day, it'll actually be like a special event. So I'm going to show you guys what I do before I go to a bigger event, like a wedding ring. So please stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, bye! Hello, beauties. All right, now this is the day before the actual wedding. I'm doing an oil treatment on my skin so it's nice and hydrated, and I'm also doing an oil treatment in my hair so it's, you know, looks good and hydrated and looks healthy. I didn't do anything special. I just washed my face and put the oil treatment on. So if you want to know what kind of oil treatment I'm using, please hit the like, subscribe, and bell icon. Leave me a comment. If anything, just leave me a comment and be like, hey, I want to know what kind of oil you're using. Because I've actually noticed a difference in my skin for moisture. Maybe not so much, you know, redness, but I need to go to a dermatologist for that. So, yes, the oil treatment really helps with moisture in my skin, and it helps keep my skin looking nice and young. So, alright, I sit with this oil treatment on for an hour, 2 hours. I try to push it as long as possible, but I usually get really annoyed with it being on my face. So, at the very least an hour, at most maybe 2.5, maybe 2.5 hours. You can get it really sucked in there, and then I will wash it off. And then that's basically all I do the day before. A big event thing that I want to do. But anyways. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So, nothing exciting. Alright, I'll talk to you guys. Alright, so, I just want to show you. I let the oil treatment sit on my face for about 2 hours. So, as you can see, some of it's been soaked up into my skin and some of it has not. So, alright. Now I'm just going to wash it off. Warm water. Don't use cold. It won't wash off the oil if you use cold. So, use warm water with whatever kind of cleanser you use. Honestly, you don't need anything special. And then after I wash it off my face, I don't put any, I might put like some moisturizer on, but I'm basically done like washing my face for the day. Just let it be, let the oils come back to my skin, and then done. But I'm not gonna be putting moisturizer on after I wash my face because I still have to wash my hair. So after I wash my hair, then I will put moisturizer on, and I'm gonna wash my hair I probably leave this in for maybe 3 hours. 3 hours. And I heat it up periodically too, so it works better. Alright, so that's basically the pre-game beauty routine that I do before going to a special occasion or a special event or something. So I will show you the other half I'll show you the other half of my routine tomorrow. Alright, now this is at least a couple hours after I washed my hair. This is what it looks like. It's still a little frizzy, you can see. Ugh, man. Never dye your hair red a demi-permanent color red, because it screwed my hair completely up. Mistakes were made. So, now I have all this breakage on the top, so that's why I started to try to do oil treatments to try and fix my hair so I don't go bald. That is the goal, not going bald. So that's basically what I do for my pre-game treatment. My face is still really red because I'm also sick, so I keep blowing my nose and it's irritating my skin. So yeah, my skin's usually not this red, but don't get sick either. No, I'm just kidding. I know it's something you can't help. I'm also drinking lemon ginger tea with some green tea in it, so that helps with That's what I like to drink. It helps me when I'm sick, and that's what I like to drink when I'm sick. There we go. I always end up like stopping in the middle of my sentence. Maybe I should finish it. Probably. I was watching my videos back. I'm like, I do that a lot. Probably should try and stop doing that. Maybe like bring the sentence together at least to an end. But yeah. Anyways, so this is now for sure the end of my pregame treatment. I did a hair treatment and a skin treatment. I'm loading up on tea because I'm not feeling so great. Because, you know, I gotta try and make myself feel as good as possible for tomorrow for the wedding. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. So now, when you see me again, it'll be the next day and I'll be, you know, doing my hair and my makeup and getting ready to go to the wedding. All right. So thank you. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. I almost said thank you guys for watching, but we're not done yet. So when you see me again, it'll be the next day for sure this time. All right. All right. Alright everyone, this is day 2. This is where I'm going to do my hair and my makeup and we're going to go to the wedding. Now, my cold or flu or whatever you want to call it has hit me like a freight train today, so I was hoping I was feeling better. I feel, I think, worse. Hello beauties! For the rest of this video I'm going to do a voiceover of what I did during this process. I just figured it'd be easier to speed up the video because there was a lot of video footage. So at this point I'm trying to just figure out what I'm going to do for my hair. I ended up just deciding that I was going to do a simple bun with some bobby pins. Here's the end product of the bun that I decided to create. I actually like this idea. It was just super simple, especially because I was feeling sick and I wanted to have some updo or something I wouldn't have to worry about if I got messy or frizzy. So this way in a bun I can always just hairspray my flyaways down so it didn't look like a crazy hair crown. So that is why I decided to go with just a simple bun. Can never go wrong with a simple bun. Alright, so after I finished putting the bobby pins and straightening my bangs, I checked the back of my head with my little hand mirror to see how the bun looks, make sure it looks alright. And I'm just adding a few more bobby pins to make sure it's snug because, you know, if you go on the dance floor, you want to make sure that your bun isn't going to go flying everywhere. So, might as well be safe than sorry. And, you know, you might want to make sure that your bobby pins are hidden too, so. At this point, I decided I liked the way my hair looks, so I decided to spray my hair to keep the flyaways under control. I used my Ion Keratin Flex finishing spray. I like this stuff because it doesn't feel crunchy, it doesn't form a helmet on my head. When you touch it, it doesn't feel like I even have hairspray in my hair, so it's great. I love it. During this whole process, I'm drinking my coffee because, you know, got to get the coffee in before you go out, keep you awake. The next thing I start with is my eyeliner. I use the Maybelline New York Eye Studio Black is Black gel liner, and it comes with a little brush that I like to use. I personally really like this eyeliner. I'm totally a beginner, so I can't do anything really fancy like an eye wing, like a cat eye wing or anything like that. So it is really great for beginners because it doesn't set right away. If you make a mistake, you can take a Q-tip and fix it up so the line's nice and perfect and it doesn't smudge all over your face if you have to try and fix your mistake. So if you're a beginner, I totally recommend this eyeliner. And it just comes in a little tub. So far it's lasted me several months, so I definitely recommend it.
So I just continued the same process of just doing a solid line on my top line, and I put a little bit on the bottom line. If I wasn't feeling so sick from my cold that I was experiencing, I would have put some eyeshadow on, but I figured since I wasn't feeling too good, simple was just better. Alright, now we're just going to jump into the mascara. The first mascara that I use is CoverGirl Last Splash Fusion Water Resistant. I personally really like this mascara because it adds length to my eyelashes. And I also put 2 layers of mascara and 2 different kinds of mascara on. And I personally like this one because it helps the other mascara not run, and it also gives me extra length that the other mascara doesn't give me. So when they're paired together, I really like the result. The second mascara that I like to use is the Milani Highly Rated Black Mascara. I personally really like this mascara because it is the blackest mascara that I have used before. But the problem that I find with this mascara is it likes to run and flake on my face. So that's why I like to put the CoverGirl mascara underneath it, because I find that it holds this mascara onto my eyelashes better and it helps it not smudge and get everywhere. But the reason I like this mascara is because it is the darkest mascara, and when I pair it with another mascara, it ends up looking like I have falsies on without having to do the whole process of gluing them on. Alright, and now I'm going to give you a quick snapshot of what I look right now. And I just sharpened my eyebrow pencil, and the eyebrow pencil that I am using is the Lisa Waitier, Watier, and the color Châtain 437. And I just use an old mascara spoolie that I had from the it's Maybelline, I can't remember, but it's the Maybelline mascara that's in a pink package. And I just use that to comb through my eyebrows and fill in where it need be. Unfortunately, at this time, I accidentally overplucked in certain spots on my eyebrows, so I really needed to fill them in so they looked even. So that's basically what I do here. I don't use any brow gel or anything like that. I personally like this eyebrow pencil. I haven't found any issues with it. It stays on all night or all day. And I also have a really hard time trying to find a color that matches my eyebrows for some reason. It seems that I have an ashy blonde color of eyebrows, so brown doesn't match my color and neither does blonde. So the Châtain 437 matches my eyebrows perfectly, and I have yet to find any other eyebrow pencil that matches the same as this one or as well as this one. So I would definitely recommend it if you have ashy blonde hair that's kind of in between brown and blonde. I, for some reason, found that this is one of the only colors that matches me really well. For this part of the video, I tried a different camera angle, and I guess I didn't really like it because I ended up turning it back. But after this part, I just make sure that my eyebrows look even, because you don't want a wonky eyebrow. And then I do what I basically use as foundation, because I don't use foundation, concealer, or anything like that. I use my Color Science Unforgettable Loose Mineral Sunscreen. It actually helps matte out the redness in my skin, and I have to put this on every day because I went to the dermatologist and they said that the sun is the worst thing for my skin, especially because I have very sensitive skin. So I basically have to use my sunscreen as a foundation. So it definitely isn't full coverage or anything like that. It just helps matte down the redness in my skin. So that's basically what I'm doing here. Alright, and the next thing that I grab is my Halo Beauty by Wet n Wild liquid highlighter. And the color that I used was Halo Goodbye. I really like this color. It's just a nice shiny color. It isn't too bright or anything like that. It just adds a little bit of shine, a little bit of shimmer, nothing crazy. Definitely wasn't looking like a highlighter, but I guess for a wedding is probably the best thing. You don't want to be too distracting. So just a little bit of shine and glitter for my taste. And all I do is add this highlight on my cheekbones, a little bit on my nose, and I think I even did a little bit underneath my eyebrows, and that was it. And now, at this point, I need to drink all my coffee because I gotta go brush my teeth before I do my lipstick, so that's basically what's happening to me chugging down my coffee. And last but certainly not least, I'm gonna do my lipstick. And the lipstick that I chose to use is Rimmel London Pro Vocal Lip 16-Hour Kiss Proof Lip Color, and the color Play with Fire. And this color is like fire truck red. It is very pretty. It's a two-step. You put the color on and then you put the lock and shine on after. So just be careful with this stuff. You got to get it on nice or it dries really fast. Okay, so this is my makeup look. Nothing, you know, eyebrows, eyeliner, mascara, a nice bold lip. I'm going to show you what I'm going to wear. And then we're going to go. I'm wearing a Pennington's high-necked dress that ties up in the back, and I'm also wearing Payless black kitten heels that have a wide heel in black.